There is a couple by name Sri N.S. Krishnan, his wife Lakshmi, been devotees for a long time, been coming to Bhagavan for many, many years, though they belong to Sringeri Mutt people. They are very devoted to Bhagavan and his name. They have a daughter by name Sri Janaki, who was such a devotee to Bhagavan right from her younger days. And whenever she used to write letters, Bhagavan would be very appreciative, and he would ask me to read it out again and again. Such was his love for her. And she got married to one Sri Harish, and after marriage, they had come to visit Bhagavan to take his blessings. At the time, Bhagavan was living in Parnashala of the ashram. He was suffering from cancer. He welcomed them. He gave them lunch. They had the great fortune of having lunch prasad with Bhagavan. At the time, Bhagavan played a certain leela because Harish was new to all this. Though he had heard about it, when he had come, Bhagavan asked people to serve him. But the thing is, every time he would take a morsel of food in his hand, would be about to put it into his mouth or would have just put it into his mouth, and before he started to eat it, Bhagavan would ask him a question for which he had to answer, and he wouldn't know how to answer with so much food in the mouth. He would struggle, and then next time again he would take another morsel of food in his hand, and just before he put it into his mouth or after putting it into his mouth, Bhagavan would ask and he had to answer, and again there would be struggle. We do not know why Bhagavan conducted this leela, but this went on for half an hour. Every time it would coincide. Bhagavan's questioning him and his taking the food, about to eat. He rather enjoyed this leela, though he did not understand what happened, what was happening. He said that it created a great influence upon him. Somehow he could not forget Bhagavan afterwards. It made a deep impression upon him. He was working in America at the time, and I think Bhagavan was also giving him a hint that this American people might send away the Indians if a situation came. He would often say they are very intelligent. He did not understand the meaning again, but then soon there came a situation in his office, because at that time there was this economic recession all over the world, and America too had suffered, and especially the big companies. His company was one of them. There was a huge loss in the company, and therefore retrenchment followed. Many people, many Indians were retrenched, terminated from their services, and they had to come back. But he continued, and then one day there was a meeting again, and the way the meeting was going, he knew that he was going to be retrenched too. He was going to be terminated from the service. So, in panic, he rang up to his wife, who was living in India at the time, that this was the situation, was about to lose his job. Immediately his wife, her parents, Sri N.S. Krishnan and his wife Lakshmi, they started to chant the name of Bhagavan with great fervor, praying and praying, chanting and praying and chanting and praying. And somehow, by the force of the name, by the grace of Bhagavan, they did not ask him to go. This continued, the situation continued. He also got back his salary. He got his salary. He continued to work until he got a new job when the company itself had to be closed. There were only 2 Indians till the end, and he was one of them. He knew it's because of the Nama chanting. He was himself chanting. His whole family was chanting. And he knew that he continued even in that worst situation in the same company, all due to Bhagwan's grace. Now why I am mentioning this, people are very much in a similar state today. Many people are losing their jobs, and even if people continue to be in their job, they get only 50% of the salary. And there is this crisis, unprecedented crisis of economy. Now we all know what to do. People have already been doing. Just take up this prayer that you should continue to be in the job and you should continue to get the salary. For which sake we have to do only this Nama chanting. So let us all pray to His grace, this boundless compassion that would back us in any situation, in any crisis. Just take up this prayer that I should continue to be in job and I should continue to be supported financially, and you will see the magic of His name. Bhagavan